In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals of 6 middle key in array input method. And 6 middle key is letter H on your keyboard. Okay, let's begin with the first one. So 6 middle is also the fundamental key of 6 dot. So let's see. The first one, we begin with 9 5. You can see 9 right here. This is 9 left falling, and 5 as right turn. So we pick this 9 5 first, and 9 5 is at 9 middle. And continue this dot 6. So we press 6 middle and space. Okay, next one, you can see the right upper. We have dot 6 right here. So in this case, we press 4 1 first. Oh, sorry, 1 4 because this begins with 1 and end with 4 cross. 1 4 is at 1 upper. And continue this 6 dot right here, so we press 6 middle and space. Second one. Continue the upper part. This is 9 3, begins with 9 left falling and end with 3 vertical. 9 3 is at 9 upper. And continue this 1 horizontal line, 1 middle. And last one right here, dot 6, so we press 6 middle and space. Continue the very top right here is a dot 6, so we press 6 middle. Continue this radical is 5 1. 5 is right turn, 5 1 1, so we pick 5 1. And 5 1 is at 5 upper. Last one, this is 2 left turn and 8, 2 dots 8 right here. So 2A is at 2 lower and space. First one. Continue, you can see right here we have a dot 6. Okay, so in this character we begin with 1 horizontal, 1 middle. Continue, this is cross 4 and 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper. And next one right here, dot 6, so we press 6 middle. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here. 4 1 cross 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper in space. Alright, the next 6 dot is right here in the middle. So we begin with this radical 9 2. 9 as left falling, and here's a 2 left turn. So this 9 2 is a radical, and 9 2 is at 9 upper. And continue this dot 6 in the middle, 6 middle. And continue is a knife. This is a lid, so 7 lid, 7 middle. And the last one right here, this begins with a square, 0, and end with 4 cross. So 0, 4, 0 upper, and space. Okay, the next two character, they all have 6 dot, but this 6 dot is greater than the one you see before, and the 6 dot right here gets through other strokes, okay, like this one and this one. Okay, so this one begins with 9 5, just like the first radical I introduced right here. So 9 5 is 9 middle. And continue, we have 9 9. See these two strokes, 9 9 left fallings. 9 9 is at 9 lower. And continue, the last stroke right here is a big 6 dot. So 6 middle and space. Alright, the next one, the radical on the top is 6 7. 6 dot, 7 lid. 6 7 is at 6 lower. Continue, this is 8, so we hit 8 middle. And continue, here's a 9 left falling, so we press 9 middle. And we've done 3, we go to the last one. This dot 6 right here. So 6 middle and space. Okay, and the next 6 middle radical I'm introducing is the 2.6 together. So you can see they are in the same direction. Okay, so like this one, 2.6, and here they all belong to 6 fundamental key. Okay, so we only have to press once. Okay, and in this case, the upper part is 9-8, begins with 9 left falling and with 8 right falling. So 9-8 is at 9 lower. And continue, these 2.6 is a radical, so we only press 6 middle once and space. First one. Alright, continue. You can see the left upper part is 8-1, 8 upper. And continue, this is cross 4 and 8. So 4-8 is at 4 lower. And continue, 2 dots in the same direction, 6. So we press 6 middle. And lastly, this cross, so we press 4 middle, fundamental key. Alright, the next and the exception and 6 middle key is right here, this radical. Okay, so I know it begins with dot 6 but end with 2.8, but this exception. Okay, so if you would like to type this radical, you have to press 6 middle. Okay, continue, 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and we have 7 lid here, so 7 middle. And last is a person, 8, so we press 8 middle, space. Okay, next one, radical right here is 6 middle, and continue, the radical is 5-6, 5 as right turn, 6 dot, 5-6 is at 5 lower, and continue, we have a 7 lid right here, 7 lid, 7 middle, and cross, vertical cross at the end, so 4 middle and space. Okay, next one begins with 6 middle and continue, we have 5-1, so 5 upper. And last we have 2-8, 2 left turn, 8 2 dots, 2-8 is at 2 lower and space. And in this case we pick the second one, so you can see the radicals, the keys of this one and this one the same. Alright, the next radical I'm introducing is 6-5, and according to the writing strokes, 6-5 is right here, dot 6, and end with this 5 right turn. So right here at the bottom and here left hand side, 6-5. Okay, so for this one we begin with cross, so 4 middle, and the rest is 6-5, so 6 middle and space. Second one, continue, 6-5 left hand side, 6 middle, and right upper we have person right here, so 8 middle, and last you can see 2 dots, just like I explained right here. We only have to press 6 middle once and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals. 6 middle key in array input method. And feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.